trouble world. This is the mini apple. We murder all week, then pray about it in chapels. Sell a little treat just to get us a title. The city wiping us out. This is just a survival. We never falling off, never falling off. The whip changed by my chick Diana Rouse. Grew up in the lows, let's get it by any cost. We learned a whole lot, but gained the most from the loss. Gotta take that little chicken, throw it all in the sauce. I just give it a pack, she catch it like Randy Moss on the boss. We out here getting slayed by the law. You gotta choose one, get money or ball. My uncle died slow in prison, and that's true. And these days I really fucking miss him. Yes I do. He was out here trying to work the system and end up getting snitched on by his fucking children. It's sickening. We in this 21st century, hoping they remember me. Saluting all these immigrants dying for their liberty. In 1990, a king was born. In 1990, young Keaton was born. I ain't playing no games, spitting this octane. My young shooters out here killing with no shame. Real MCs don't mention their name, but you can tell by my flow, I'm from that lane. I see my niggas progress while the boy maintain. Some stray away from home but remain the same. On that path to success, things might get strange. Friends turn into foes, things always change. You know we never falling off. The whip changed by my chick Diana Rouse. Grew up in the lows, let's get it by any cost. Hey, hold up. Never falling off, never falling off.